Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Nice week, everybody in GE101. Things are happening in GE101. I've been trying to pull together guest speakers, and that's going to happen. And I've tried to pull together some field trips, and that's going to happen. So we have not a lot. We have some things to talk about because I want specific things to go well, like field trips and guest speakers. So what I want to talk about first is guest speakers. When they come, I would like you to be prepared. So before every guest speaker comes, so you need to tune into the calendar for this, because the day before a guest speaker comes, you have to post up in Blackboard 2 questions that you are interested in asking that guest speaker. And they need to be discipline specific, or at least appropriate for that guest. So, for example, next Tuesday, John Dryden is coming. John is the advisor for engineering transfer here at the college, but he's also a professional civil engineer. So think about civil engineering. That's land development, that's structural, that can be roadways, powerways, waterways, bridges, all of those kind of things. That engineer is going to be here in class and talking to you, and I want you to be ready and willing to ask appropriate questions. So a little bit of research on what you want to ask. And then you're going to post it up into Blackboard the day before they come. So you'll have to look at the calendar and kind of organize this. Now, when they're speaking, do you have to ask your question? No. I want them to get through their material. They're going to field questions in the end. And if you want to ask your question, you can. But you don't have to. That would be, 18 times 2. That would be nearly 40 questions. And that's too much, obviously. But it's just my way of getting you to prep for a guest speaker. So guest speakers are showing up in the calendar. I'll put detail in when I know more about the guest speaker and who's coming. So you can post your questions before they come. So that's the guest speaker thing. The field trips. I think we're going to get to go back to the diamond manufacturer. The company name is Element 6. So you should look them up and see what they do. They are associated with I think it's pronounced De Beers company, which sells diamonds. So this company manufactures diamonds the same way the earth does. And they'll talk about that when we go on the field trip. You will get to handle, at least if it's the same as last time, and it was an outstanding field trip, so interesting. Students actually got to handle extraordinarily large diamonds. So pretty exciting. And the manufacturing process is, it's crazy. You'll be amazed at how they do it. So hopefully that's going to happen. They've said they want to do it. We just haven't settled on a date yet, but as soon as I do, that'll pop into the calendar. We will not go to lab on that day, and we will go straight to the field trip. So I will want carpooling organized. They are short on parking over there. So we'll have to organize that out, and I'll talk about that more in class. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we're going to have a field trip for sure. And we're going to have lots of guest speakers coming in. So that's great. That's it. That's what I wanted to catch you up on. I will see you all tomorrow in lab at 1:30 Thursday. This is Wednesday. So there you go. I will talk to you all later.